What's up, guys? Welcome to Dyna Demos. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego.
And today we're kind of setting up the shop here. We got another lift, as you guys saw. We're putting this wheel chuck on Lego's lift. We're going to hang up some banners. We're going to just clean up in here, and we're going to change my oil and do a few things. We don't really have a lot of content in terms of removing and replacing components, but I need an oil change. I'm going to take my reflectors off, so we got a little bit of stuff to do. There's always stuff to do to your bike, so that's what we're going to do today.
And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Alright guys, so getting ready to change my oil. If you don't know how to change oil, we made a video. Lego will put it in the description. He'll put a link to it. So make sure you guys check out that video. As always, we're running AMSOIL products supplied by @Diesel Oil Guy. Alright, if you need anything, whether it be transmission fluid, primary fluid, motorcycle oil, filter, chain lube, carburetor, induction system cleaner, waterless wash and wax, octane boost, all right, or gas treatment, all right, for whatever vehicle you have, whatever motorcycle you have, he's got you covered. So make sure you hit him up, use discount code DYNADEMOS, and that'll get you some money off. So hit up @Diesel Oil Guy. Again, thank you Adrian for sending us out this stuff. We only run the best AMSOIL product.
Alright guys, so you can see that I bought a new wheel chock. So this is the Pittsburgh wheel chock, and you can get it at Harbor Freight. I was just getting tired of the small wheel chock, so I decided to buy this. It was like 60 bucks at Harbor Freight. In order to put it on your motorcycle stand though, you're gonna need to drill holes, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Chuki beat.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for us at Dyna Demos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Shout out to Diesel Oil Guy. Thanks for giving us that AMS oil. Got the oil change done on my bike finally. Also, you saw that we got the other Harbor Freight lift, and we put the wheel chock from Harbor Freight on Lego's lift and took the other one off that it comes with. So if you don't have two people, or if you don't have someone to help you get your bike on the lift, I recommend buying that other wheel chock. You can drive right into it and get off the bike and it'll stand straight up. So again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.